In a remote, deserted town, an oil drilling crew was conducting operations. As the drill bit plunged deeper, a thick plume of smoke suddenly rose to the surface, accompanied by a pungent, putrid stench. The foreman immediately ordered the workers to pull the drill bit out. They discovered debris resembling human tissue clinging to it. A research doctor carefully collected samples. Afterward, the foreman called in an excavator to dig into the hole, but when the earth was cleared away, everyone present was stunned. Inside the deep pit lay a corpse buried upright. Curious onlookers crowded around to inspect it. Suddenly, a hand reached out from within. This scene left everyone utterly bewildered. How could this man still be alive after being buried underground? Even more bizarrely, the man began shouting in archaic French, as if signaling for help. The group first rescued the man and handed him a cup of hot coffee. After taking a few sips, he started talking incessantly. His expression seemed terrified, but due to the language barrier, no one understood what he wanted. The man grew increasingly agitated as he spoke. A nearby doctor tried to calm him down, but just then, something emerged from the man's nostrils, tentacles resembling those of an octopus. The witnessing doctor recoiled in terror. The tentacles quickly retracted. Others dismissed it as mere snot, but the doctor insisted he saw it clearly. His curiosity was instantly piqued. He summoned others to help restrain the man, so he could draw blood for analysis. Yet as he collected the sample, another tentacle emerged from the man's ear. Everyone urgently warned John to keep his distance, but this happened right in John's blind spot. He remained skeptical of their warnings. After obtaining the blood sample, the doctor decided to keep the man under observation. He and his assistant went to study the specimen, leaving only the foreman to guard the man. Lunchtime soon arrived. John told the foreman to eat first, and kindly brought the man a sandwich. But just as John idly pulled out a pocket knife to trim his nails, the man set down his sandwich and asked John to hand him the knife. He seemed intent on doing something. John naturally refused. Despite the man's repeated explanations, it was futile. In the brief moment John looked away, the man swiftly snatched the dagger. Instantly, they locked in a tense standoff. The next second, the man pointed the dagger at himself, but his other hand wouldn't let him do it. It was as if some force inside him had taken control. John couldn't understand why he was doing this. Then, tentacles suddenly emerged from the man's eyes and mouth. John realized the gravity of the situation. He quickly grabbed the man's neck, trying to kill him, but the man, seemingly controlled, immediately began choking back at John. With superhuman strength, the man swiftly pinned John to the ground. Tentacles then began emerging from his eyes and nostrils. Perhaps this monster needed a new host. Before John could react, the tentacles invaded his body. Parasitized, John struggled to push the man away. When he finally regained his senses and looked, he was horrified to see the once vibrant man had instantly turned into a desiccated corpse.